All right, it's an exciting day here. Anytime we get to fire up a freshly rebuilt engine, that's always a fun thing to see in the shop. So I wanted to bring you guys along. This is the car ship shape that we've been following, the 37 Berline, and we have it in our engine stand here. This is our custom built engine stand that we can adapt in order to fit some of the different motors that we work on here. So obviously right now we've got the cord set up here. Also we can test the transmission shifting. Of course the transmissions that you guys know are always finicky and something we're always trying to test, and a good time to do that is when the engine is built and it's on the stand, so you can actually run it through cycles and test vacuum and all those different things as well. So that's good. You've seen it. You've seen the inside of this engine. You saw it before it was tore down. Sorry, and now you get to see it rebuilt and get this started here. It's been started once or twice already. Once we get it on this stand, we're trying to run us through its paces. We're checking for things like leaks. Obviously, we're checking the major mechanical pieces of it, which obviously all should be fixed. But we're confirming all of those things. We're checking the carburation. We're making sure that mixture's right, that's all dialed in, and just everything is tuned the way it should be. Again, checking for leaks. All the different and various things that we need to do. We'll run it on the stand for at least a half an hour on the stand before we put it in the car. Oftentimes a lot more than that at various points, but checking for overheating, checking for all the various things that we check to make sure that it's mechanically sound in every way before we put it in the vehicle, because it's a lot easier, of course, to do any adjustments, make any changes while it's here on the stand before you get it into the vehicle. All right, so I think we're ready to go ahead and see if this thing will fire up and get it started. So I'll bring Shane in here. He's one of our technicians. He's our master engine technician. He's built probably one of every Lycoming engine that they put in a car, pre-World War II or that era. So this is the latest one out of the shop. Look forward to you guys hearing it and see if we can get it fired up.
All right, here we go.
Well, I think that's a wrap. It's always good to hear a fresh engine get started up for the first time, or second or third time in this case maybe. But just it's always fun. It's a great part of what we get to do to see these engines come back to life, ready to. Now this one will be set aside and be ready to go in the car when it's finished with painting. We'll get you an update soon on the progress there, the painting of this Berline. But we're excited to get this engine back up and running.